What's up everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jorge Contreras, and today I'm going to talk about the 3 core beliefs that successful people have. Let's do this. The first core belief is to work smart and not hard. Successful people have a belief of, I am going to focus on the 20% of things that produce 80% of the results. You see, unsuccessful people try to do everything themselves and they wear 20 different hats. And successful and wealthy people focus on the few activities that they are the experts at that produce the most amount of results. The second core belief is to hire people that are smarter than you. You see, solopreneurs and people that struggle in their business because it's just them have this belief that they are the smartest person on earth. And that's why they do everything themselves. If they knew or believed that there was people smarter than them, they would probably hire them. And so a lot of solopreneurs have this belief of, if I want to get things done right, I have to do them myself. And successful people know that they are not the smartest person in the world. And whatever they are an expert at, they focus and they hire the rest and delegate. The third core belief about successful people is that they believe that in order for their business to be successful, their business should depend on systems and processes, not people. Unsuccessful businesses have businesses that depend on people. So my mentors say, if your business depends on people, that's not a real business. That's an expensive job. And they believe that to truly have a successful business, your business should depend on systems and processes. Now think of all these really big successful businesses out there like Century 21 in real estate, or McDonald's, or Coca-Cola, whatever it is. They have great business systems and processes that are at the top as an umbrella, and then there's managers under those systems and processes umbrellas that are told what to do based on the systems and processes that have been created for that business. Then what that manager does is they delegate and create structure so that all the doers, all the technicians actually do all the work. So to truly have a business that is very, very successful, again, I can't emphasize this enough, guys, focus on the things that you're truly an expert at and delegate the rest. Here's another thing that successful people do. This is going to be a bonus. Let's just say that you figure out how much your time is worth as an entrepreneur and even as an employee. Let's just say you make about $30 an hour, right? Well, should you be doing your laundry, cooking, mowing your lawn, and cleaning your house? If you can hire somebody at $10 to $12 an hour to do those things for you, wouldn't it be more effective if you hired those things at $10 to $15 an hour and you focus on the activities that produce you $30 an hour? Because what happens is, if you do all these things, if you're mowing your lawn, if you're mowing your lawn and doing your laundry and cooking your own food and cleaning your house and doing all those things that you could be hiring somebody else for $10 to $15 an hour, you are losing money. So you have to be able to optimize and maximize the things that you do in your life and in your business. And great minds and successful people have these 3 core beliefs. And the bonus, I want to recommend a video for you guys. I'm going to put it up here. Make sure you guys click on it after the video. It teaches you how to change your mind so that you attract motivation and create the proper mindset to be successful in your business and in your life. Last but not least, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button and smash the little bell and turn on the notifications so you can be updated every time I upload a video. I'll see you guys on the next one.